So they had to add this red no parking now all the way over here and fire lane because people were not listening and not they're parking. Oh, there's a kitty cat missing. I keep hearing this really weird, like really high pitched scream coming from the trees over there. Little wee letters. Good morning, guys! Today is June 5th, and it is day 344 of our vlogs. And it is 12:21, and I'm gonna go and check the mail. Hopefully it looks warm outside, but I'm hoping that it's not a breeze and not chilly. Because I don't have a coat down here. Today is going to be a really fun day. Me and Andrew are going to go on a date. So today is date night. Yay! I'm so excited about date night, you guys. So excited. Ooh, we have cool letters. Yay! Okay. I swear I could hear somebody screaming or something over there. It was really weird. People need to listen to the parking stuff because you're not supposed to park in front of the mailbox, and people do anyways, and that's why they had to add that there. So our whole road was closed for a part of the time because they had to have all these trucks. I hope to God you guys heard that. That's creepy. Is that an animal or like a person? I don't know what to say to you guys right now. That's the weirdest noise ever. It just did it again. What the hell? It doesn't do that noise when I'm down here and like waiting for it, but when I'm walking away it makes a noise. The weirdest noise ever. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, that's our park. I used to come down here all the time as a kid. I hope to God you guys heard that noise that time. And that I'm not crazy and just the only one that can hear it. I just wanted to see if I could get a better sound of it. I think I got it, so we'll see you later when I'm editing this. Guys, so we're going on a dinner date. Just me and Andrew.
And the 600 and how many?
700.
So, is it 7? And the 700.
702 people.
Is that how many we have? Right
Yeah.
now? So we're going on a date. It's got 704 people. I was seriously joking, or I wasn't joking though, about the video I made at work where I said that we were going to take you guys on the date, but you have to pay for yourselves. So I'm paying for you guys. I don't got that kind of money. We're going to an expensive restaurant too.
Yeah, so expensive.
Don't say where we're going. It's very expensive. It's very high end.
Super nice.
It's a very high end sandwich restaurant.
It's not even a sandwich place.
Good point. It's got like burgers.
Italian.
It's got like burgers and stuff. It's Wendy's. We're going to Wendy's.
We are not. I'm not going to Wendy's.
And
I'm going to Godfather's.
I'm getting the Baconator because it's got bacon, beef.
Bacon, beef. Bacon, beef.
That way you won't cut through Noble. It'll be shadier through Noble.
No! Why would we cut through Noble?
It'll be shadier.
No, Andrew! And then we have to walk up that whole street. That's like, doesn't even make any sense.
Let me ask you a question. Do you think I should keep this? Like, look at my head. Like,
what's wrong with your
you
hair?
notice I have this like thing right here?
You have like a Jimmy Neutron thing going.
I have no idea. I got my hair wet at work, right?
Yeah.
Because I saw it, I got my hair wet at work, and I went like this, right? And I put it down, and it was fun, and then it just stuck back out. And Sharon saw it, and she goes, "What's wrong?" And she like licked her hand and like put it in my hair, trying to like keep it down, because we had corporate and it looked weird, right? And then one of the corporate people were all like, "Oh, see, look, all right, watch my shower, You see it?"
Yeah, what is it?
Okay, now watch this.
It looks like something's sticking out of
Watch
your
this.
head.
Watch. Ready?
Yeah.
Just watch. There it is. See it?
Yeah. You guys probably can't because it's a bad angle, but a piece of Andrew's hair is like sticking up.
So the guy from
It's really
off, and he's
strange.
all like, here's a piece of duct tape, just tape it to the tip of your head. I'm like, yeah, when I rip it off, I'll just go bald.
You're not going bald.
I think it's...
Anyways, we're gonna go and have some dinner together.
And then
Go for a little walk and just be together. And then tomorrow, we're going to the spaghetti lunch, and then we're going to come home, meet up with Brianna, eat macaroni and cheese for dinner, and have popcorn and watch, I think, a movie on Netflix, or we're gonna rent one. We haven't decided yet.
Probably Netflix, because then we don't got Netflix, we don't gotta pay.
Well, true, but we'd need to buy the soda and popcorn today. And
See, we can buy that. See, that's the problem. See,
but the problem is I haven't gotten a hold of her, and so I don't know if she saw my message about not being able to hang out until 2 or 2:30, because I don't want her to show up at the house and then, like, you know, leave. But I guess I could put a note on the door or something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm hoping that she emails me tonight and says, okay, yeah, I'll meet you at like 2:30 at your house. But
we could always just put a note on the door that says, Brianna, sorry we missed you. We're at Liberty doing a Liberty Fit lunch. Be back soon. Garage code is...
we can't put the garage code on the door.
.0.
Great, now everybody knows that there's a 0 at the end of our garage code.
On our keypad for our garage, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, pound, 0, dot, like underneath the 0, and our code is dot, 0. I gotta pick the code, and it was the easiest thing, because you could go like this. You just go, do.
Yeah, sure. Just so you know, that's not our real code, but thanks.
It goes to a nice beat. It's like, do.
Oh man, there's something on camera, sorry. So we're at and we are sitting at this table. We're number 25. And Andrew's lining us. And our pizza, we just ordered it. But it's really hot in those areas. I don't know why. I think we got a chocolate pizza,
So we've decided we're gonna go and see a movie. We just had a delicious half of pizza at Pizza Hut, or
I
at
showed you guys.
at Godfather's. We couldn't eat the whole pizza.
Of course we could.
What?
Of course we could.
Well,
Why'd you get quiet all of a sudden?
I thought it was bigger, or it was smaller than it was, but it turns out it's bigger than I thought. So we only got to eat half of it because I can't eat all that. Plus, we're gonna go and see.
I can't either.
We're gonna go and see
I
X-Men
want
right
to go
now.
see the X-Men movie because I'm a little bit of a nerd sometimes, and
A little bit. You're like a lot of it.
hey, I like the X-Men movies, and I'm super excited about this one.
Shortcut.
I wanted
We're
to
taking
see it
shortcut.
so many times.
So yeah, we're gonna go and see that.
And I was sitting there, and Andrew, of course, he has alternative motives to coming to this pizza place because he's like, hey, we could just walk to Fred Meyer's, and then I could get my video game. And I'm like, well, are you secretly trying to take me to a movie? And then he's like, let's do that. Let's just go to a movie.
Why not?
So that's what
Date
we
night.
decided. We're going on a date night.
But yeah, we're gonna go through a pretty shady area. So I don't mean shady like
Might as well
from
keep
a tree.
the camera on.
I don't mean from a tree. I mean it's pretty shady. So
Leave each other. It's cool. Gosh, and a helicopter just went by.
not a helicopter. That's an Apache helicopter.
I heard this really big, and it was getting like super windy, and so I couldn't figure out what it was. And then this giant helicopter goes above us.
No,
What is a
An Apache helicopter?
Yeah.
It's a helicopter that's big enough to where it can like hold a tank.
Why would the military helicopter be going above us?
It's not a military helicopter.
Yes, it is.
Apache.
Sounds like a military.
Say it with me. Apache
Apache
helicopter.
helicopter. Is it by the military?
Yes.
Then it's a military one. Andrew, that guy is... Turn. Oh, jeez.
We have a stop sign.
Come on.
We have a stop sign.
Stop it. we're supposed to go on a crosswalk. No,
That
it's
is a
not.
crosswalk. That's where the crosswalk is.
That's not considered a crosswalk, Andrew. It's a military helicopter.
Yes.
Just because you know the specific name doesn't make it
And you
not
realize that there's
military.
the National Guard base over there, right?
I know, but why are they flying around? It freaks me out.
They're looking for people.
It's not fun.
They're looking for 5'3" brunettes.
If anything, they're looking for you.
Probably, I won't be surprised.
It freaks me out. I don't know if it freaks anybody else out, but Andrew.
Excuse me.
But stuff like that kind of freaks me out because, like, movies, you know, where there's like worldwide attacks and stuff like that, it just freaks me out
No,
a lot.
what would have been freaky is, you know how low it was?
Yeah.
Okay, what would have been freaky is if they had dropped ropes and people started sliding down and they just went like this around you and it went up.
Why would they take
And
me up?
As they're going up, they're all like, "Sorry, guy, but we gotta save the women."
I would not go without you, Joe.
We gotta save the women because they gotta repopulate planet Earth with the strongest and fittest in the military.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not having children with anybody but you. Anyways.
Well, but last week you were talking about getting artificial inseminated.
No, I wasn't.
Dude,
I said my
sperm.
friend was gonna get artificially inseminated,
Then you're gonna shut the camera
which is
off.
weird.
And then you're gonna shut the camera off and we're gonna get in a fight about it.
Oh no, we are not. I wish.
We'll go play on the playground. You see?
Yeah.
Because I almost got an iPod from the crane machine 4 times.
We are here seeing X-Men. Days.
Hey, yo, shut up down there!
Stop it. Nobody is in the theater. You guys can't see because it's obviously really dark, but
Wanted to do some good
so
for them.
cool.
So I'm trying best foods with olive oil.
we got all our snacks, and I'm so
You don't
excited.
mess with the
They're the
fire
first
with
ones in the
Best Foods.
theater,
Hey,
which
Mike,
means we get the good stuff,
seriously?
which are right there.
So
in the middle.
good. Well, you know, that's not Best Foods on your sandwiches. It's Best Foods with olive oil.
Aren't you excited?
I am.
What do you want, a parade?
If you're gonna throw a tantrum, go ahead.
My tantrum's been thrown.
So,
We ate that because
Andrew, as you said earlier, sent cookie pizzas home, got delivered, and he sent 3 of them, and
so we were like,
my family
cookie pizzas.
my family ate
There's actual pizza.
all 3 of the cookie pizzas, and Andrew's like, look at Andrew's face. It's like actually stuck like that.
I'm just surprised that you guys were all like, "Oh, maybe you."
I thought they were joking. I thought they were like making a joke out of it, like, ha ha, ha, we're gonna save it, you know.
I brought you something
Really,
else.
Mom? Now you're gonna eat my popcorn? You guys keep
Horrible.
you guys keep smiling. Is this like you really ate them all? Mom, look at the viewers and
Whoa!
look at the viewers and tell them that you ate the whole thing. Cause I don't believe it. You ate the whole thing. I knew it. Oh. Man! Mom! God! Oh, do you want to be on camera? Hi! Hi! Hi, boo boo! Oh, did you miss me?
No, honestly, I'm not upset about it. I bought them and
I was upset that you didn't send us real pizza.
I thought you guys liked cookie
I
pizza.
offered to buy real pizza before we left. I told your mom, like, I can buy his pizza or buy you guys pizza and have it delivered. And
So we just saw X-Men and it was awesome. I really enjoyed the movie. What did you think?
I liked it.
I thought it was really good. You're gonna sit in the back? Hello, Mother. Oops. Sorry, guys. This is gonna be a little bumpy. Ooh, I like your.
Not to get the popcorn.
I like your hair.
We got
It
a
was
free
$2.
We got a free small popcorn and we upgraded it.
Yeah, it was $2. It was awesome. Anyways, we got a first. The first picture we took turned out to be a passport picture, and it ended up a horrible picture of me.
Wasn't actually any bucks.
And we had a lot of fun. It was a really great movie. I'm not going to spoil it, but it was a really good movie.
Everyone dies in the end. They all
There's-
die.
Stop it.
Answer your phone when I call you.
Me? Yeah, you. Why is it always me? I always get in trouble for it. Andrew
Called you just I
We
saw you
saw
guys
you-
standing there.
We
and
saw
then
you coming
disappeared.
and we were like, oh man, we were gonna take a photo. So he said, let's just take a photo quick. So we were trying to hurry to take a photo versus answering the phone and having to explain to you for 5 minutes that we were gonna take a photo. Okay, great, awesome. Hi,
Hi.
I'm recording you guys. Anyways, it was a really good movie, but there was a couple parts where I was just like, Andrew, I don't get what's going on. And he had to explain it to me. But that's just because it's like time travel, and time travel messes with my mind and makes me like really confused sometimes. Anyways, it was a great date night. I'm really happy that we got to go out.
Did you guys get
What did you think,
my
Andrew?
surprise?
Yeah, how'd you think of
surprising?
Andrew's surprise?
Yes. It wasn't much of a surprise because he told us it was coming.
Well, I told him to do that because I figured if you answered the door and they're like, oh, here's your cake things, you'd be like, I didn't order that, and maybe you would like tell them they had the wrong house and they get confused. So I told him to tell you that a package was coming to the house and you were
But
just
Alex
supposed to
answered
accept
the phone
it.
and not you, so he's all like,
But
what's the package? Tell me what it is or I'm not going to answer the door. And I'm
Andrew-
like, I already paid for it, so you better answer the door.
Andrew spoiled the whole surprise. But we sent a cookie cake, is that what it is?
It was a cookie pizza.
Cookie pizza to the house for my parents and Alex because they didn't get to go out with us tonight.
And I
I
had
thought
to
it'd be
get
nice.
3 because they won't send anything unless
I
it's
know.
over $12.
So you could have got one and brought it home when the movie was over.
Yeah, but then
Where are we supposed to put it in the movie, Mom? You want me to stuff a cookie pizza in my purse?
Wait a second.
Okay,
then I was
well, at least we know. Mom wants me to
the
stuff
way I think
cookie
it-
pizzas in my
she
purse
said
when
that
we go to the
they were
movies. Good idea.
$4 a piece. Okay, so I'm thinking. and she
Anyways,
said it was
we
like
had a really great night. I'm
$3.75
really glad
fee
that
for
we got a date night, just me and him.
delivery.
We had a lot of
So I'm
fun,
like,
and it's a really
okay,
good movie.
She can just comp
So-
me the quarter there and just round it to 12.
You
She'll
should
like,
go.
No, like, we can't do anything. We can't deliver anything
You
unless it's $12
should
or
go
more.
and see the new X-Men Days of Future Past.
So I'm like, so I got like
because it's
$12 worth
awesome.
of cookie pizza, paid $3.75 for shipping and a tip
Okay, shipping. You're not shipping it.
before you guys will deliver it.
It's delivering.
That's pretty retarded.
Okay, Andrew. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow. We're gonna end
Probably
the
really
vlog.
dark. Probably can't see.
Whatever, they can hear me. Plus, I don't want them to see my face right now. It probably looks horrible.
Oh no, they shut off the reader board. Oh.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.
We'll see you manana.
That. For a second, I really saw just an outline of a Bigfoot. It's a cop.
Oh shit, it's the fuzz.
It's a cop. It's a cop.
That's the security guard. Century.